Hey YouTube, I'm Sanj. Welcome back to my channel, Sanj Designs, where I'm building a 6-car smart garage. As you can see, the roof trusses are here, the timbers are here, the crane's here. So we're going to show you how to build that roof to standard, to spec, and to make it a fantastic structure. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so welcome back to this sunny September morning. I've got Luke from CCCL Carpentry, and they've been installing the roof over the last few days. So we used a crane to lift up the main sort of struts and the main sort of timbers, and then they use the loose timber to infill the joint. So I'll show you some of the key points that you need to know if you're doing something like this yourself. Right, so the first thing you need to make sure you get right is you need something called a wall plate. Now, while it's called a plate, it's actually a length of timber, because that's what you secure your main trusses to. So that timber goes around the whole of the concrete structure, and you can see some down there, and then basically the trusses are actually nailed straight to the wall plate. So make sure you have that first. You use butt joints all the way around, and then that basically secures all the joists, all the trusses onto one structure. So make sure you do that first. So this is Luke and his team. He's done a great job. I don't want to disturb him while he's working. So you can see they've attached these rafters, center ones, to the wall plate, and they're just infilling all of the loose timbers and making sure, and the valley, yep, all the way down. Make sure it's all properly secure, making sure all that is for the design, and obviously making sure all the loads and everything are met as per the drawings. So Luke, just quickly, what are the key things you need to remember?
So you start off with the trusses, spread in the trusses, make sure you use a crane, safest option. Brace the roof up with wind bracing, make sure you put your wind braces in, a lot of people forget them, because otherwise they come down on top of you. And then you loose fill with the hips.
Excellent.
Valleys, and your jack rafters.
There you go, brilliant. Right, the other thing you need to remember is making sure everything is strapped and braced. So you've got a brace here, which is that, which basically braces down and straps down the wall plate. And if you look here, each of those rafters is strapped, and that's a requirement of the building regs. And make sure there's no movement, everything's secure, and everything is nice and tight. So make sure you've got those and your wall plate straps when you're doing a high-end roof like this. Right, so this is the outer bay, and you can see this bit and the other outer bay is going to be like your standard flat roof structure. But if we go into the center bay, and those of you who remember my very first video, you'll see that that's actually vaulted. So that is going to go a lot higher. So that's going to probably give me about 4 to 5 meters, maybe a little bit more. And the reason for doing that, as I mentioned, is that height means I can put a 4-post lift in here, and that extra height will give me that height to raise a car or even possibly a van all the way to the top, and give me plenty of clearance to work on it, and also give me extra storage space underneath if I decide to put another vehicle. So let us know what you think. So that's the roof up. Why not, as per normal, check out the time lapse and see how that was done in a matter of minutes. So there you go guys, that is the roof constructed. Great job, big thanks to Luke from CCCL Carpentry. Great job, really appreciate that work that you've done. So let us know what you think. What do you think of the build so far? What do you think of the works? What do you think of the other videos? Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Check out the next video, which is going to be about fitting the soffits and fascias. So thanks for watching, see you next time, take care.